Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the battery in your Surface Pro 5. Today, we will walk you through the entire process, ensuring your device is back to optimal performance in no time. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. It's essential to ensure you have the right tools for the job to avoid damaging your device. Once you have your tools ready, power off your Surface Pro 5 completely. This is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts during the battery replacement process. Next, using the suction cup, gently lift the screen from the body of the device. Be cautious while doing this, as the screen is fragile. If you're having difficulty, you can use the spudger to carefully pry the screen open, but remember to work slowly to avoid cracking the display. After removing the screen, you will notice several screws securing the battery in place. Using your Torx T5 screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Remember, keeping track of your screws is vital to reassemble your device correctly. Now, you'll see the battery connector. Gently lift it using the spudger and disconnect it from the motherboard. At this stage, you can remove the old battery. If you need assistance or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you every step of the way. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the interior of your device. Use a soft brush or a lint-free cloth to remove any dust or debris. This ensures better performance and longevity of your new battery. Now, take your new battery and align it properly in the device. Connect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring a secure fit. It's crucial that this connection is firm to avoid any future issues. Once connected, replace the screws that you removed earlier to hold the battery in place. After that, you can reattach the screen. Make sure it clicks back into place securely. If at any point you feel uncertain about continuing the process, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about traveling or making calls. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 5 to test the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your battery. However, if you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. And that concludes our tutorial. Remember, taking care of your devices can extend their lifespan significantly. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.